If you run a cleaning business, you already know the hidden time thief. After every job, someone has to build invoices by hand, chase property details, and explain every supply charge before you ever get paid. That admin work steals evenings from actual cleaning. Most small cleaning crews still use generic spreadsheets or printable PDF templates that forget which client owns 3 rentals, which office is biweekly, and which deep clean included oven scrubbing. One wrong bedroom count and you are rewriting the entire document from scratch. Invoice Mama is free invoice software built specifically for residential and commercial cleaners, not generic contractors. Maid services get a workflow tuned for recurring visits, move-out cleans, and add-on upsells without paying monthly SaaS fees just to send a bill. Every customer can store multiple properties inside one account. Track a downtown office, a vacation rental, and a family home separately while billing one property manager. Each location keeps its own service history instead of blending messy notes into a single contact card. Pick the customer, choose the property, and bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and service frequency populate automatically from saved records. Returning jobs skip repetitive typing. Autofill pulls the last approved scope so your team invoices the same deep clean package every single visit. Invoices organize into clean sections for core services, optional add-ons like inside fridge scrubbing, and supply reimbursements for chemicals or specialty pads. Clients see exactly what they paid for instead of a vague lump sum that triggers disputes weeks after payday. Detailed invoices with property info, service breakdowns, and supply costs can be built in under 1 minute once records exist. That speed matters when you are finishing 5 turnovers before noon and need professional paperwork before driving to the next suburb. Store bedrooms, bathroom counts, square footage, and how often each property gets serviced. Those fields become your quoting backbone and proof when a client claims you skipped a recurring task. Property intelligence lives beside billing, not buried in text messages. Flexible payments let clients pay however they prefer once the invoice lands. Whether they want card, transfer, or an approved billing cycle, you are not locked into one rigid checkout flow designed for e-commerce stores selling t-shirts instead of recurring cleans. Cloud-saved records mean your customer library travels with you from phone to laptop. Lose a notebook in a supply van and you lose revenue history. Digital profiles keep properties, notes, and approved line items one tap away even months later. The daily flow is simple. Select the customer, tap the property, confirm auto-filled job details, add any one-off supplies, and send. Returning clients truly are one tap away because the software remembers every bedroom count and every approved surcharge. Free cleaning invoice software with multi-property tracking, automatic property details, and organized line items is finally aimed at crews who invoice daily, not accountants who invoice quarterly. Try Invoice Mama and spend your next evening cleaning floors, not rebuilding PDFs from memory.